Hi everyone, welcome to a What's New in Beauty / favorites video. It's going to be pretty quick this time. I just have a handful of really nice things I want to show you. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and also following over on Instagram. If you missed the last review video, I'll make sure to link it up in the upper right hand corner. I'll also reference any review videos that we've done recently for you to check out if you haven't seen them already. All right, very first thing I want to tell you about is this hair styling product by Ava NYC. It's quite an affordable brand. I believe they're available at Target, but everything I show you, I always put in the description box where you can find it to purchase it if it's something you are interested in checking out. But this is their Healthy Heat 2-in-1 Blowout Brush. So this product can be used in a few different ways. You can use it on a heating option. They have like a lower level heat and a higher level heat so that you can use it on wet hair, and while you are styling it, it can also be drying your hair. Or if your hair is already dry, there is just a sort of like a styling option, I would call it, without heat, so that you can brush the hair and make it look nice and smooth. So I would say it's equivalent to probably a slightly less loud hair dryer. And it's just very simple. I'm not someone who is really well versed in styling my hair. I usually just air dry it and let it be, but it's very simple to take the strands and run it through sort of like a round brush the way you would, except you're getting that airflow at the very same time to not only brush out any tangles, but also to give you that smoothness and a little bit of a wave too. Obviously, if you use styling products, that can also enhance a curl or a wave if that is what you want. But very affordable, as is most things, or pretty much everything with this company, Ava NYC, and kind of a cool, nifty 2-in-1 product. And then in conjunction with that, speaking of hair styling, I've been using and testing out a few products from Virtue, which is a brand that I've tried before and I've enjoyed. And these have been really nice supplemental things to style the hair with. So this little one is the Healing Oil. So this is nice for a lightweight oil that will give you shine and smooth out those little fuzzies if you have those. This one is the Density Booster. This is really nice for people like me who have kind of thin strands that tend to fall really easily and not hold volume very well. These come in a pump dispenser. And then this is the Smooth Frizz Block Smoothing Spray. And again, for kind of that frizziness that you get, especially now that we're getting into the warmer, more humid climate, this is very nice. It's kind of more like a milky mist texture. And again, a spray dispenser. Okay, just a few makeup things that I have. I did a review on IT Cosmetics' brand new Bye. This is the Dark Spots Concealer Plus Serum. So this has niacinamide in it and hyaluronic acid, as well as caffeine. So I did a application and a wear test video. I will link that in the upper right hand corner for you to check out. Also did a full application and wear test review video for Maybelline's The Falsies Surreal Extensions Mascara. I really like this mascara. So if you're looking for a new drugstore mascara on the market, then go check that video out, see if the effect that you get is one that you're looking for. And this may be a new mascara for you. Okay, a mascara that was given to me and sent to me for testing that unfortunately I really don't like. This is from the company Perfect Diary, which has all different kinds of makeup that I don't have a lot of experience with. I think I pretty much have just used this. I don't think I've tried anything else from the brand, but this is the Wide Angle Overcoal Lengthening Mascara, and beautiful packaging. That's definitely a plus side on this. This is what the brush looks like. So for me, I tend to like a more voluminous brush with longer bristles to give volume. This mascara not only doesn't give me volume, it does give decent length, but it's extremely difficult to remove. I had to do a double cleanse multiple times and use more pressure and force and work around the eyes to remove this than I want to. It's way beyond waterproof. It's not a tubing mascara. Even trying to manually press and rub the lashes to remove it didn't work. So this didn't give me such a great effect in terms of volume and length that would, for me, justify the incredible amount of work it took to remove the mascara. So unfortunately, that's a fail for me. This is Zoya's newest collection, their spring 2023 collection called Daydreaming. Bright, fun colors here, and all of them are metallic. And lastly, I have a few skincare products. One I have not tried yet. I literally just got it in the mail before I started filming, but I'm excited because it's from Paula's Choice. I'm always excited about new things from Paula's Choice. This is a triple active total repair serum, and it says that it targets lines, discoloration, and loss of firmness. The ingredients that are kind of highlighted are retinoid, and niacinamide, which we pretty much all know the benefits of those by this point. But the first ingredient is something that I don't have a lot of experience with, so I'm interested in researching it and checking out what it does. It's hexyl resorcinol. I don't know if that's how you spell it, but hexyl, resorcinol. So intriguing. A brand that's new to me that I have really been enjoying. It's called Simpure, kind of like simple and pure together. And these are the 3 items that I have been testing out. Here in this clear bottle, we have the argireline facial serum. That's an ingredient that's supposed to kind of be like really, if you call it like a really weak version of a Botox to help with fine lines. But what I also like about these products is they aren't packed full of fragrance, even synthetic or artificial fragrance in them or drying alcohols. We also have the Refresh Vitamin C moisturizers with vitamins A and E, opaque pump dispensers, ton of product. You're getting 150 milliliters, which is 5.1 fluid ounces. You pretty much never see that in something other than like a body product. And then I think I would designate this my favorite of the 3, although I like all 3 of these products. This is their weightless facial sunscreen, UV and UVB protection, PA+++, with a transparent formula with an SPF of 50. And unlike some other sunscreens I've been trying lately, it is truly transparent. It doesn't leave any white cast. It feels very lightweight. It doesn't feel sticky or goopy or heavy, which is always a plus. And it's a zinc oxide and titanium dioxide based sunscreen. It also has homosalate and octisalate in here too. So very hydrating without all those negative aspects that we sometimes get with sunscreens. And I am gonna end on kind of a fail, which I'm sort of surprised. This is the Inkily brand new product, the polyglutamic acid dewy sunscreen, SPF 30. I was very excited about this product. And the reason why for me it's not a hit, and somehow I lost the cap somewhere, but and I'm almost done with this sunscreen, so I use it a lot, but it leaves a distinctly sticky surface. It does not sink into the skin. It has like this texture that is just, it's not pleasant. Even if I just use it on my neck, I can still throughout the day, it's like, ugh, I have something on my neck, which I don't like. And then for the face in particular, I mean, I guess it's fine just to deal with that goopy sort of surface if all you're doing is wearing the sunscreen, but that also means that it's not the best to pair with putting makeup on top, is what I have found. It doesn't leave any sort of cast, so that is a plus. It's completely transparent. It is looks like a chemical sunscreen. So it's avobenzone and sulazole, octisalate, and octocrylene. So the advantage is it's clear, leaves no cast. It is also very hydrating, but SPF of 30, and I don't like the way that it feels. Okay, there's a short and sweet rundown of the latest products. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Leave any comments or questions in the section below, and I'll see you in the next video.